Hello friends, today we are going to solve a problem on a development of hexagonal prism. Now I am going to read the problem. A hexagonal prism having base edge 30 mm and axis height 65 mm is resting in HP on base such that the diagonal of the base is parallel to VP. So according to this statement, we have to draw the first stage in which a diagonal line of the base hexagon is parallel to XY line. So according to this statement, we have to draw the hexagon in top view. We show the top view of the prism. So draw the XY line, give the name X and Y, draw horizontal line and vertical line. By taking intersection point as a center, draw the radius draw the circle of radius 30 mm and inscribe one hexagon inside this. So I will show how to draw. This is the top view of prism. We shows the hexagon. The base is A, B, C, D, E, F and top hexagon is denoted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the axis OS, which is point view in the top view. Okay, now from every point draw the projections to draw the front view above the XY line. Okay, now I am going to take the projections and I will draw the front view for the prism. Now the projections are taken. The base hexagon is a horizontal line on XY denoted by A dash, B dash, F dash, S dash like this. Now axis height is given, which is 65 mm. So base center is S dash. From this point S dash, I have to draw the line. Which is vertical and length of the line is 65 mm, which is axis. Okay, so I will complete the front view now. Now this is a complete front view. Top hexagon is here 1 dash, 2 dash like this. So we get the front view and top view of a prism. So we completed the first stage of the problem in which we have to draw the front view and top view of a object. Now the second important stage is we have to draw the auxiliary inclined plane in the projection. Now I am going to read the second part of the object is draw the development of a prism when it is cut by the section plane which is inclined to the axis at 40 degree. So section plane is at 40 degree and it will intersect the axis at point 20 mm from the top. So on this axis I have to locate the point which is at 20 mm below O dash and then I have to draw the line. Like this, which is inclined to axis at 40 degree and intersect the axis 20 mm below. So from here I am going to draw the line at 40 degree. See it. Now as per the discussion, the section line is shown in the front view. This AIP is inclined to the axis at angle of 40 degree and intersect the axis at 20 mm from O dash. Now this intersection plane AIP cut the object on various faces. For understanding, the edge of face A dash 1 dash, the intersection point is P dash. Similarly for B dash 2 dash and F dash 6 dash point Q dash. So here there are two lines, two faces. So here R dash is for C dash 3 dash and E dash 5 dash. See the point T, this point T where the AIP intersect top hexagon. So point T dash is intersecting the edges of top 3 dash 4 dash and 4 dash 5 dash at T. So for the location we have to locate the point T in the top view by drawing projection from here to intersect 3 4 in the top view. So here we get the location of point T, and here, so I am going to draw in this way. So here we get the different point T. Okay, now we have to draw the development of hexagon over here. Okay, okay, now after taking section, this much part of the object in the front view is visible, which is shown by the thick line, and rest part which is removed is shown by the medium thin lines. Now here I am going to draw the development of hexagon. First I will draw the development of hexagon without section. So I will take any point over here and draw a rectangle. We know that development of prism is a hexagon. Length of the is rectangle. Length of the rectangle is periphery of the base. So length is 30 into 6, 180 mm. So draw the horizontal line of length 180 mm. Now height of the hexagon is 65. So 65 mm. Then 180 mm in this direction and 65 mm. Okay. So this is the development of hexagon. Now we have to show the edges of the face. So draw the line parallel to this. Draw the line parallel to this line 30 mm apart. For that I am using this. So distance between the parallel lines is 30. So I will draw the lines like this. So over here. So to get the development of hexagon. So this is the development of hexagon. The base hexagon is over here, top hexagon is here. So I will give the names, and after that we will make the changes due to the section plane in a development. Now development is here without cut section. All the names of edges are given. Base is ABCD, top is 1 2 3, edges of the face A1, B2, C3, like that, and the dimensions are given 6 into 3. So number of sides into size of the edge is equal to 180 mm, and height is 65. So these are the necessary dimension for the development. Now I have to locate the respective point P, Q, R, T in the development, which is cut by the AIP. So I will locate point P first. So draw the projection parallel to XY line, from P dash. This point P dash is on A dash 1 dash. So here I get point P dash and again one line A1 over here. So these are the 2 points locations for the P. So this is first point P in the development, and here is again P on same A1. Similarly, I have to locate point Q. I know that point Q is on B2 and F6. So I will draw the line on B2 in the development and F6 in the development. Okay. Similarly, I will locate point R, which is C3 and E5. So R, C3 over here and E5. Okay. Now to locate point T. So T is on the top. Its distance in the top view from 4 is over here. So measure distance of point T from the point or corner 4 of the top in the top view. This distance is 12 mm, which is shown here, 12 mm. So locate point T from 4 at 12 mm. From 4 at 12 mm over here. Give all the names, then we will see how to locate. Now I located point T, which is 12 mm from 4, as it is given in the top view. So I given all the names ABC, P, Q, R, T, and on the same here. So I will now join all the points P, Q, R, T by a straight line, to complete the development of hexagon prism. So P to Q, Q to R, R to T, T to T, T to R, R to Q, Q to P, and here. So in this way I get a complete development. Now I will join all the lines from Q to B, R to C, because the edges are visible, which is shown in front view also. So in this way we get a complete drawing of development of hexagonal prism, which is cut by the section plane, and the important dimensions of are given. So in this way our development get completed. Thank you.